Greetings to one and all. Welcome to the e-training platform of Aristo Skill Development Center. My name is Pooja Upadhyay. Today, I am going to take you through a virtual tour of digestive system through our virtual learning series. To understand the anatomy and physiology of the digestive system. Have you ever wondered what happens to the tasty food that we consume? I am sure not much, but we know that the food we consume gives us immense energy. So let us understand how the system helps us. In introduction, it is vital that the body cell receives the food particle of the smallest size so that it can enter the cell. Thus, the big food particles are required to be converted into small food particles. This process is termed as digestion. It can be mechanical, physical, with the help of teeth or muscles, or chemical digestion with the help of acids, enzymes, or even bile. For effective digestion, it has to be ensured that the food travels in the downward direction. This is ensured with the help of muscles of digestive tract along with the nervous system. The gastrointestinal motility is also termed as peristalsis. Peristalsis is in coordination with the chemical messengers coming from brain. The neurotransmitters acetylcholine, dopamine, serotonin help in peristalsis. Acetylcholine binds to the GI muscles and increases peristalsis, while dopamine binds to the GI smooth muscles and decreases peristalsis. It also binds to its receptor on the chemoreceptor trigger zone near the brain, which induces emesis, that is called as vomiting. While serotonin is a mixed neurotransmitter, depending upon the receptor it binds, it can increase or decrease the peristalsis. The balanced function of this neurotransmitter ensures normal peristalsis and thus supports timely digestion. Now, let us understand the different parts of the digestive tract. The digestive tract contains organs and the associated organs that help in digestion. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and the last part being anus. Salivary glands, pancreas, liver, and bile help in the digestive process by secretion of enzymes or bile and digestive juices as well. Understand them one by one. Mouth. The intake of food is termed as ingestion. In mouth, the teeth breaks the food particles mechanically, while the saliva makes it soft and helps in digestion. It contains the enzyme amylase that majorly breaks down the carbohydrates. The food is converted into soft bolus and pushed into the food pipe with the help of tongue. Esophagus. The food pipe helps into downward movement of food into stomach. At the bottom of esophagus, there is a one-way gate which is termed as lower esophageal sphincter. The LES, when it relaxes, is open and the bolus enters into the stomach. Once the bolus, that is the food particle, is into the stomach, the LES contracts, as you can see in the image. Thus, it prevents the reverse flow of the food back into the esophagus. Now, the food is in the stomach, which is called as gastro. Stomach contains the chemical hydrochloric acid HCl that makes stomach highly acidic. With a protein-rich meal, the concentration of this acid in the stomach can be of pH 1 to 3. This gastric acid is made by parietal cell with the help of enzyme commonly called as proton pump. The major digestion in the stomach is that of proteins with the help of enzyme pepsin. Also, due to high concentration, most of the microorganisms cannot survive or grow in the acidic environment of the stomach. The digested food particle from the stomach now into the small intestine, which is called as enteron. The small intestine is divided into duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Small intestine supports the further digestion of carbohydrates and fats. Fats are digested with the help of bile, which is made by liver. The digested food is absorbed into the blood, from where it enters into the cells of body to make energy. The small intestine is less acidic than stomach and favors the growth of microorganisms. The food that is will now enter into the large intestine, called as colon. Large intestine helps into reabsorption of water. It ensures the formation of solid waste, that is feces. The pH value here is the highest in the range of 6.5 to 7.5. Thus, it is ideal for the growth of microorganisms, which in turn will support our gut health. The stool that is formed in the large intestine is rectum temporarily and then sent further into the last part of the digestive tract, which is called as anus. Anus is surrounded by muscles that control the defecation until one finds a right place to defecate. Thus, we understand that the two important functions, digestion and motility, are essential for healthy functioning of GI tract, which otherwise may lead to various gastrointestinal disorders that also has many other underlying factors like increased volume of acid, weakening of gut defense due to any infections, incompetent LES, decreased salivation or gastric emptying is delayed, and majorly the lifestyle. I hope that all of you would chew, digest and absorb the given information wisely. Thanking you for the valuable time.